need to cover all this. This. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to try and make a quick video. I kind of took a chance on this house. This is the first day. I got my keys today, and I bought it with damp problems. You can see the discoloration where the skirting board used to be. This is one of the main category grade 2 repairs that probably made the property cheaper to buy. But anyway, I think I've worked it out already. I took up the floorboards, and it's full of this rubbish. And I thought, why is the damp just here? Well, they filled up the floor with rubbish. And if you look, it doesn't go all the way. It's just this one area. It's really full of this, And I think there's no ventilation over here because it's a big stone. So the ventilation's coming from the other side, probably through to the living room. So they've blocked it off with a big pile of rubbish. No ventilation, probably soaks up water from the ground. Then you've got a spot of damp here, and well, the thing is, I can fix that myself, and I don't need anybody to tell me. It's like, it's probably worth having a look, and that's it. I think I can fix it. I'll post an update sometime, see how it goes.